Assalamualaikum and a very good day I bid to everyone. My name is Muhammad Helmi bin Zainon and I'm from School of Mechanical Engineering UiTM Shah. Today I would like to talk about lubrication in motorcycle engine. Now let's proceed with the introduction. Lubrication is a process or technique employed to reduce friction and wear between one or both surfaces in contact and moving relative to each other by introducing a substance called a lubricant in between them. Lubricant can be either solid, semi-solid, or liquid. Viscosity of oil is important because it shows how well the oil can perform in preventing friction in between the components. Viscosity is the resistance of a fluid to flow. So different fluid with different viscosity flow at different speed when the same force is applied to them. Adequate lubrication allows smooth, continuous operation of motorcycle engine, reduce the rate of wear, and prevent excessive stress at bearing. When lubrication breaks down, components can rub destructively against each other, causing heat and failure and may damage the motorcycle engine. So, the objective of this experiment is to differentiate between the viscosity of new oil and used oil and to investigate how temperature affects the oil viscosity. Now, we move on to the methodology of this experiment. On this slide, I will explain on how I setting up the experiment. To compare the viscosity of new and used engine oil, I have conducted a viscosity test experiment. The capillary tube viscometer is used to record the time taken by looking at the oil level, and thermometer is used to measure the temperature. The motorcycle engine oil that I use in this experiment is a semi-synthetic with a viscosity of 50W50. The viscosity of each oil is being measured and calculated using the ratio of dynamic viscosity to density formula for each 30 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius with an increment of 10 degrees Celsius. And this is the result obtained from viscosity test experiment. As we can see here, at 30 degrees Celsius, new oil has a higher viscosity compared to the used oil. Furthermore, when the temperature increases over time, the viscosity of both new and used oil decreases. This is due to the fact that both oils operate at extremely high temperature, which causes thermal cracking. The oil's viscosity is reduced as a result of the oil molecules being broken apart by the high operating temperature. As a result, the oils become thinner and has a lower viscosity as the temperature goes up. To be concluded from this experiment, it can be said that viscosity of new oil is better than used oil, and new oil can withstand high temperature compared to used oil. I would like to recommend to adding more additives such as viscosity index additive to the oil to improve its performance in terms of thickening the lubricant and ensure a more stable and consistent viscosity. That's all from me. Thank you.